Hi beauties, it's Dani and welcome back to my channel. I don't know where you guys live, but I am in Nebraska and we just got a huge giant snowstorm here and I'm sick of it. I am done with winter and I'm just ready for the spring and for the happy and for the flowers and the grass and all of the bunnies to be out, and I'm just ready for springtime. So I decided to channel my inner spring beauty with this makeup look right here. It's very pastel and almost kind of reminds me of like the kind of Easter eggs that I make because it's all color blocked and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm just craving spring. So I hope that you enjoy this springtime makeup look. And if you'd like to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So we're jumping right into it this week. I already have most of my face done, and it's only 2 palettes that we're working with this week. So I'm starting out with the Tarte Unicorn palette and the shade Myth. And then I'm going in with the Kat Von D Alchemist Palette. And this is the shade Ultraviolet or Amethyst. And for all of the Kat Von D shades, I wet my brush with setting spray first to get the most pigment. And then I'm going right into the crease with the shade Fairy from the Tarte Unicorn palette. And we're just blending that all over the crease, not really making a cut crease, just separating out where the lid and the crease live. Blending, blending, so much blending. And then pretty much in between each color, I'm going in back with the shade Myth and just diffusing that color and making it a little bit softer. And then under the lash line, I am taking the shade Pixie from the Tarte palette and just buffing that all underneath my eye and kind of dragging it down a little further than normal and then out kind of like a wing. And then after that, I am going in with the Alchemist palette. Apparently I just stabbed myself in the eye. And I'm taking the Pink Opal shade. Again, I wet my brush before I dipped into the shade to get the most opacity. And then this is actually the Amethyst Kat Von D palette as well. This is the shade Blue Sapphire. And I'm taking that on an angled brush and creating a wing with that as well. So I did this kind of like wing that hugged all the shadow thing. So this is just on a dome brush and I brought it above that dark purple. And then I just quickly buffed Opal on the brow bone as well. And then this inner corner is actually the Emerald shade. I believe that's what it's called. Yep, Green Emerald from the Kat Von D palette. And I had to build that up a lot even though I did wet my brush. So I did end up going back over it, and I think that's what I'm doing right here. Yep, I went over it with the Marvel shade from the Tarte Unicorn palette. And I just really wanted that to be a super bright, noticeable green on the inner corner, so I just kept building the color until I got the shade that I was wanting. And then I'm lining my waterline with the Milk Jumbo Pencil by NYX. And then I am tight lining my upper lash line with the Urban Decay 24/7 black liner. And then I honestly have no idea what liquid liner this is. It's just a black liquid liner. Forgive me. And then as always, my holy grail Maneater mascara from Tarte, giving my lashes lots and lots of love with this. If you guys haven't tried this mascara, oh god, you need it. It's so good! So good! And then these are the Maneater lashes from Tarte as well. I think they were limited edition for Christmas. Not sure, but all of their lashes are amazing. And then that's the eye look. Woohoo! Yay! And then I super sped through all of this because it's my same face routine that I literally do every single day because I'm boring with my face. The only face product that I ever really switch up is my highlighter. So if you guys have suggestions for good bronzers or contour shades or blushes, please drop that down in the comments below. And then this highlighter that I used was the Green Emerald shade from the Alchemist palette. I loved the way it made the skin shine. I love those iridescent green flakes that it just kind of reflected off of the skin. And I had almost forgot with the eye look that I went in with the Heavy Metal liquid liner from Urban Decay, and this was in the shade Catcall. And then just super quick, popping on a Tarte lip shade for a base. And then that is the Lime Crime Cosmetics, what are these called? Diamond Crushers, and that was in the shade Lit. It's so lit. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. So I hope that you liked that look. This is me thinking I'm super cool and playing with my hair. Yay, bye! Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this week. As always, I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up to let me know that you liked it and that you would like to keep seeing tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below letting me know what's your favorite season. I personally, just for me, it's tied in between spring and fall. My two favorite holidays are Easter and Halloween, so I like the cute and I like the creepy. So let me know down in the comments what is your favorite season, and I will see you beauties next week. Bye bye, beauties.